Why just hang with the crowd when you can escape the crowd? For city or campus commuting, X-Cape, the exceptional folding electric scooter, is the first choice for the last mile. X-Cape lets you travel effortlessly and silently for a range of about 25 miles. It folds up in 1 second, literally, and can be pulled like a carry-on suitcase. At just over 40 pounds, it can be easily lifted onto a train or bus. And when you park it, its footprint is just over 1 square foot. X-Cape comes with its own Bluetooth app that you can download to your smartphone. The app gives you GPS information, lets you adjust the speed setting to 6, 10, or 15 miles per hour, and even serves as a virtual key to turn X-Cape on or off. Made of aircraft-grade aluminum, X-Cape can handle over 300 pounds and comfortably fits riders up to 6.5 feet tall. X-Cape's exclusive independent dual rear-wheel suspension makes for an exceptionally stable ride, even when cornering, and cross-drilled rear disc brakes keep you safe and sound. X-Cape's UL-approved lithium-ion battery delivers impressive climbing power and fully recharges in 6 hours. X-Cape even has a USB dock to charge your smartphone. And X-Cape really lights it up with decorative lights, as well as a smart driving lamp and a safety tail lamp. X-Cape is, in a word, exceptional. So why hang with the crowd when you can escape the crowd?